Yep.
2, 3.
Wait, the quality is nice.
To like
It's you, right? It's you. The poses.
signature pose.
Of course, well, in Busan, we have to try the special hotok, the honey plus seed. Lee Seung-gi was here. Oh. It's raining, man! Our next stop is Artbox. Antare ng palay detector test, guys. Ito, may grocery dito. Oh my gosh, guys. Choco Pie. 10,000 won. Mga 400 pesos to. Tapos 30 pieces. Oh my goodness, yung ulan mas lumakas. Maswerte tayo kasi nakahanap tayo ng ref magnet. Ito yung mga nagpapaalala sa atin ng ating travel. Oh my God. Opa! Lidong Wook! Kasang sisiw yung walang payong. It's an experience. Huwag niyo akong gagayahin. Alright? Oh, beautiful. Hello guys! Annyeonghaseyo. Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. And for tonight's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Busan, South Korea. This is part of our 10-day trip in Korea. Kasi our goal ay mapunta yung 5 tourism hub cities dito sa Korea. So kasama na to yung Busan. So ngayon, experience natin yung night market dito sa Busan, guys, with my K-creator friends from all over the world. Si V from Vietnam, si Ayim from Kazakhstan, si Celine from Malaysia, and then si Tanto from Indonesia. Tara, kayo guys, anong gusto yung kainin? Punta tayo sa Hotok Place. First time ko makapunta dito sa area na to. Wait lang, parang may nakikita akong pinuntahan ng celebrity. Wait, ito. Wow. This is very Busan.
That's the one we had our eel.
Ah, the eel!
Yeah.
Yeah. Kinain natin yan kanina, guys. Eel. Let's go. Ano pang pwede natin makita dito? Ito, uso to dito, guys, sa Busan. May karne din naman. Pero karamihan ay mga seafood. Ito, dessert place. So, nakakatuwa yung Korea because the night market culture is so alive. Diba? Sa iba't ibang city, from Jeonju, may night market tayong pinuntahan. Pati din dito, sa Busan, of course. It's the second biggest city in Korea. Nakapag-Busan na ba kayo, guys? Kung makapunta kayo sa Busan, anong gusto nyong gawin? Daming pwedeng gawin dito, kaya I super love Busan. Again, it's a perfect mixture of urban and you know, yung relaxed na vibe, atmosphere ng city. Are you gonna buy a souvenir? Our friend Amiga Diana is not feeling well today. Maybe because first of all, we went home last night 3 a.m. Second of all, maybe it's the seafood.
But I think it's seafood. For
It's the
real.
seafood.
Yeah,
Okay.
for real.
You should go home early tonight.
Yeah, we have to go.
Jade!
Are they going? Yeah,
Our friends are there.
Stay.
Kenshanayo, apayo. Some sort of drink. 8 piece of hotok. Yes, let's do this. My favorite Korean dessert, hotok. Honey plus seed. Yes,
Is it famous? This one?
maybe. Lee Seung-gi. Lee Seung-gi was here. Look, Lee Seung-gi was here. So this must be good. Lee Seung-gi was here. So this must be famous. Oh, Lee Seung-gi ate this one. This hotok. Thank you. You're our model. What's next? Charan.
This is seed.
Seed. Is it special in Busan?
Yes.
Uh,
Seoul doesn't have a seed.
Seoul doesn't have a
Only
seed. Honey only. Okay guys, so this is very special in Busan. That's why we have this. Of course, well, in Busan, we have to try the special hotok, the honey plus seed that we can find only in Busan. Bisong was here. Okay, I will have this. Wow. Sarap. Masarap yung hotok na only in Busan.
Enjoy your shopping time.
Thank you! Ito yung hotok na may seed. At wala daw talaga ganito sa Seoul. Only in Busan, sabi ni Jade, our umma tour guide. Dito tayo kumakain ng hotok. Masarap nga siya. Alright. Nag-olive yung sila. Tingnan nyo naman. Mga nabudol sa olive yung. Grabe no lang talaga tayo. But, kensya na. Minsan lang naman tayo dito. It's our last night in Busan. So, let's go. Alright. We're gonna photo booth, guys. Ang bango. I mean, smells good. Xin Chao, Vietnam. I wear this in Mekong River Admin Bin. Yes. Xin Chao. It's you, right? It's you. The poses.
Signature pose.
Because sometimes I take your photos. So I noticed you're the best. Sorry? I don't have any signature pose. I don't know how to post. I just vlog. Let's take a photo. Shinmin and Ayu. Alright. Shinmin and Ayu. I like 1, 2, 3. Alright. Let's go. Uy, I love. This is so nice.
I am in Dave. Can I take a photo?
Yeah, sure.
No. With you.
With all, okay.
And me on my phone. Okay. We usually take photo. Okay.
These are the things that we can do in Haeundae. Oh yeah, this one's bigger.
Take the English one.
Let's go.
Wait.
Wow, our Ayu is so generous.
Puja.
What is puja? Oh, puja. Chebol.
no.
Chebol.
Chebol, yeah, chebol.
Oh, kamsamnida. Kamsamnida, Ayu.
Face is pretty.
Yeah, and she's kind. Everything is pretty about Ayu. Ayan, okay.
Yeah, we need to be like in 2 lines.
In front is
2 lines?
It's okay, we can. Hurry up, is it like 80?
It's not that.
It's because we have to use this one.
Guys, time is running, guys.
Oh, like the
Wait,
person
it's-
the
The
person
person
in
in
front.
front is lower.
Yeah, the person in front have to.
Lower, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
One. Yeah, that's cool. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Not yet.
2, 3. Again? Okay. And then like 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Sorry. Fair. Okay. No.
Oh, that's nice.
But I think you have to make.
I don't like this line.
I just paid for 6.
Oh.
It has to come later.
Yeah. Uy, the quality is nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Final product. Yay. Hindi ko alam lyrics. Yeah, let's go. It's raining man. Our next stop is Art Box. Gusto lang pumunta dito, guys. Uy, mag-Halloween na pala. Kaya Halloween na dito yung mga gamit-gamit. Yeah. Antare ng palay detector test, guys. Ay, look. May ganito. Parang siya nito, no? Electric if you are lying. 23,000 won. So around, ano ba yan? 2,000? I think yeah, mga 2,000 plus. Dito din, may electronics din sila dito. Mga earphones. Diba? I think carry lang na bumili ako. Kasi feel ko na lost ko yung earphones ko na ganito. Tapos minsan nag-edit tayo sa van, nakakaya naman na wala tayong earphones. Ano pa bang makikita dito sa art box in Busan? Mga notebook. Even toys they have. And of course, mga pagkain din. Kompletos Ricardos pala dito sa art box, guys. Mga cute stuff. Basta kuya talaga, no, hindi mawawala yung mga cute stuff. Cute stuffs. Charing, cute stuffs. Ayan. Syempre, honey almond. Itong H-buff. Because it's raining, meron silang pag ganito. Please remember to take your umbrella with you after drying it. Para maging dry yung umbrella. Diba? Kabog. Ito siya at 10 p.m. Muulan-ulan. Alright, syempre bumalik tayo dito sa night market kasi gusto kong bumili ng souvenir. Oh my God. Opa! Lidong Wook! Pogi! Ito may grocery dito. I think pwede tayong pumasok. Gusto ko yung mga ref magnet, guys. Kaso parang wala dito. Tara, pasok lang tayo. Nauna na yung makasama ko sa hotel. So it's me again, alone. And I don't mind na mag-isa. Okay lang. Sanay naman tayo mag-isa eh, charing. Sometimes I love being alone. Parang walang mga ref magnet dito, guys. Mga pagkain lang. Grocery talaga siya. Hindi siya souvenir shop. Anong expect natin dito? Let's go. Oh my gosh, guys. Choco Pie. 10,000 won. Mga 400 pesos to. Tapos 30 pieces. Ang laki. Mura to ah. Tapos ito 4,650. Mga 200 pesos. Wow. Feeling ko mura siya. Versus sa mga nakita ko na. Okay. 30 pieces eh. 400. Ang laki. Ito 3,500. Magkano ba kapag ganito lang? I mean, ilan ba? Ilang pieces? 12? 12 pieces. Ito legit talaga na Korean store. Kasi sa Manila, sa Tacloban, nakita tayo namang Korean store. Pero ito talaga, yung mga ice cream ng Korea. Mga naka-promo. 5 plus 1. So, 6. And then mga soft drinks, mga drinks. Ito pepper. Hindi ko sure kung magkano to. Walang naka-display. Grabe naman yung saging. 4,200 won. So mga 182 yan in pesos. Oh my goodness. Yung ulan mas lumakas. Shucks. Ano na, B? Kaya ba nating umuwi? Walking distance lang naman yung hotel natin from here. Pero, sabi ko kasi hanap pa ako ng ref magnet eh. Wait lang. Di ko na-try, guys. Uwi na tayo. Di ko na-try. Bukas na lang. Gising lang ako ng maaga. Sana may mahanap ako ng umaga. Okay? Let's go. Guys, maswerte tayo. Kasi nakahanap tayo ng ref magnet along the way. Though it's raining, but it's worth it. kasi nakanap tayo. Gusto ko talaga bumili ng souvenir ng ref magnet. Kasi sa mga ganito ako natutuwa. Ito, kaya, hindi na ako bumili, I mean kahit hindi ako bumili ng mga damit-damit, ng mga, you know, kung ano-ano pa na things for myself. Basta ref magnet, ang importante meron tayong ref magnet. Kasi ito yung mga nagpapaalala sa atin ng ating travels. For example, when I see this one, I remember this travel in Busan with Great Tourism Organization and other cake creators from all over the world. Yun, our friends. Mahilig din ba kayo mamili ng mga souvenir, mga ref magnet? Si mama kasi ito din kasi yung hinahanap sa akin. Nasa yung ref magnet? Ganyan. So pasalubong ko na din to sa kanya. Look, is this a freebie? You always give this? Sometimes. So I'm a lucky one. I was able to receive this one. Thank you so much. So thoughtful. I was able to get free snack from the store. Basang sisiw yung walang payong. Okay lang yan. It's an experience. Lahat na lang it's an experience. So maligo talaga tayo tonight. Okay? Kasi baka magkasakit tayo. Huwag niyo akong gagayahin. Alright? So yun. I-close natin yung vlog dito guys. This is our last night in Busan. This is our last night in Busan. And at least nakita nyo kung anong mga pwedeng gawin dito at night. Huwag niyo akong gayahin. So yung room natin ay 1506. 1506. Huwag niyo akong kagayahin na. Sabi basang-basa tayo. Maligo ako tonight. Okay. Kailangan nating maligo agad. Nakakaloka. Dito tayo sa isang 5-star hotel. Ang ganda. Dahil first time natin magstay sa isang 5-star. Kinabahan ako. First time natin magstay sa isang 5-star hotel. So guys, this is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live the Kuripot pero nakaka-VIP itong gabi natin. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye! Whew!